Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to today's class. So children, we will continue our chapter number 11, that is plants and their uses. In the previous class, we have discussed about plants, types of plants, some types of plants. Okay. So before going to our new topic, let us revise it once again. So children, what are plants? Plants are living things. We see different types of plants around us. Each plant differs from other plants in size, shape, color, smell. Okay, their leaves are different, their branches are different. Some plants grow on land while some plants grow in water. Also, their climates are also different. Some plants grow in cold areas and some plants grow in hot places. Also, we can see some plants are big and strong, while some plants are small and weak. So, what is the color of the most general color of the plants? Yes, mostly the plants are green in color. So, let us see kinds of plants. Kinds of plants. First, we have seen trees. What are trees? Very big plants are called trees. Trees are having larger sizes. They are very strong, thick and woody stems. These strong and woody stems are called as trunks. They live for longer period of time. That means their time duration is very long. Trees coming under this category are banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, gulmohar tree. Beside these, some more trees we can take. Peepal tree. Okay, this can be seen nearby your houses. The speciality of these trees are they have branches. See, branches means dahlia. They have several branches. This is the speciality of these trees. There are also some trees like coconut tree, ashoka tree, pine tree, palm tree which do not have branches. That means इनकी कोई डालियाँ नहीं होती है. But they are comes under the category of trees. So next is shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs are small and bushy. What is bushy? Bushy means घना, एकदम फैला हुआ. Okay. These plants are smaller in size than that of trees. Medium size बोल सकते हो. Okay. Medium size woody plants. Mostly this plant stem is brown in color. This time duration of this plant is not more as that of trees. मतलब जैसे trees का long time तक रहते थे, but shrubs का time duration short है, few years. Examples are rose, hibiscus, cotton, jasmine, tulsi. Their stems are thin. THIN thin means एकदम पतला and hard and woody. Let us see next one. Herbs. What are herbs? Very small plants are called herbs. That means shrub से भी छोटा plants को बोलेंगे herbs. They are weak and tender, soft green stems. हर्ब्स का क्या स्पेशलिटी है? थिन रहते हैं, एकदम थिन स्टेम्स रहेंगे, ग्रीन सॉफ्ट स्टेम्स रहेंगे. मोस्टली दिस हर्ब्स आर नोन फॉर देयर स्मेल. इनकी खुशबू दैट इज अमेजिंग एंड प्लीजेंट. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द हर्ब्स आर टोमेटो, मिंट. मिंट हिंदी नेम वी कॉल्ड इट एज पुदीना. देन ब्रिंजल, कोरिएंडर. कोरिएंडर यू नो it is dhania. Then spinach. Spinach is a Hindi name we have palak bhaji. Okay, that all comes under this category of herbs. These herbs live for few months. Okay, these herbs live for few months. कम months में तक रहते हैं इन लोग. Then our next kinds of plants we have climbers. What are climbers? Let us see it. Some plants cannot grow without any support. They have very weak and soft stems. These plants need the support of other plants or walls to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. Pea, grapevine and money plant are some climbers. So children, what are climbers? By the name you come to know that climbers means climb, the plants which climb up. Climb means चढ़ना. These plants cannot stand straight, मतलब ये plants straightly stand नहीं रह सकते हैं. So they need support to stand. Why? Because they have weak and soft stem. इनके stems weak रहते हैं and soft रहते हैं. That is why they need the support. For the support they climb up. वो ऊपर चढ़ते हैं support के through by climbing on other plants or on walls or on sticks. कैसे सपोर्ट चाहिए उनको? सी, अदर प्लांट्स में भी क्लाइंब कर सकते हैं या फिर वॉल्स में भी चढ़ सकते हैं और एल्स स्टिक, कोई एक स्टिक में भी इनको स्टैंड करके रख सकते हैं. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, फेमिलियर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन से that is of money plant. Money plant everyone have, mostly every houses has this money plant. You are very well knowing this money plant. So this money plant is a climber. Okay, you have been seen that the money plants need support. It's climb up by using rope or stick. We give this money plant support to grow and climb up. Okay, you have seen it now. मनी प्लांट को सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है बाय यूजिंग रोप. हम रोप के थ्रू या फिर स्टिक दे देते हैं सो दैट इट्स क्लाइंब अप एंड प्रॉपरली ग्रोथ टेक्स प्लेस. मोर एग्जाम्पल्स कैन बी पी. पी इज PEA. पी इज vegetable, मटर. एंड ग्रेप वाइन. ग्रेप वाइन इज द प्लांट which give us grapes. Okay, one more example is bean. Bean also is a climber. It is also a type of climbers. ये सब plants को support की ज़रूरत होती है, so they climb up by using the support. Next our is creepers. What is creepers? Let us see. Some weak plants cannot stand up straight. They creep and grow along the ground. Pumpkin and watermelon are some creepers. So children, creepers. What is creepers? The plants here is not strong. It needs support it cannot stand up straight. So what they do? They creep and grow along the ground. What is creep, children? CREEP. Creep means रेंगना. Okay. So in this type of plants they have weak stems, so they cannot stand up straight. सीधा ग्रोथ नहीं हो सकते. So in that case they do not climb up. ये creepers climbers के जैसे ऊपर क्लाइंब नहीं करते हैं. rather they creep, मतलब ग्राउंड में पूरे स्प्रेड आउट होते हैं. Okay, you have seen this pumpkin and watermelon. These two are the examples of creepers. They have thin branches and weak stems. Okay, so they do not climb up just as climbers. देखो, basic difference is that these climbers is also having weak stem but they climb up. ये इनको support की ज़रूरत होती है. They also cannot stand straight. इनको support की ज़रूरत होती है. Then we give them the support or they take the support of other plants, stick or rope. But creepers में क्या होता है? These plants are also having weak stem but they do not climb up. ये चढ़ते नहीं हैं, ऊपर climb नहीं करते हैं, but they creep. वो नीचे पूरे ग्राउंड में पूरे फैले हुए रहते हैं इनके branches and leaves. Okay, this type of plants mainly bear fruits. Examples can be watermelon, tarbooj. Okay, next can be given muskmelon. Muskmelon is your kharbuja. Okay, then one more vegetable, gourd, 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 that is loki. That is also a type of creepers. Okay, they have thin branches, weak stems and they creep along the ground. Our next kinds of plants we have is water plants. By the name itself, children, you came to know the plants which grows in water is water plants. Let us see. Some plants grow in water. They are small plants. They have thin stems and broad leaves. We can see these plants in ponds, lakes and rivers. They are also known as aquatic plants. Lotus, water lily, water hyacinth. What it is? Water hyacinth are some aquatic plants. Aquatic. It is pronounced as aquatic. Children, what are water plants? The plants which grow in water. They are small plants. Okay, they are not trees. They are small plants. They grows in water. So this feature is they have thin stem. उनके एकदम thin stems होंगे. See the difference. See, THIN thin means पतले. Okay, and THICK that is called as thick. Thick means broader. थोड़े मोटे stems रहेंगे. But here the water plants have thin stem. Thin stems में थोड़े पतले stems होते हैं and broad leaves. उनके leaves एकदम बड़े होते हैं, broader होते हैं. We see these plants as this is a water plant. These all are water plants. So we can see this type of plants in water bodies such as ponds, lakes and rivers. They are also known as aquatic plants. See, another name of water plants is aquatic plants. Aquatic, aquatic plants. The examples given here are lotus. Lotus everyone knows, it is a national flower. Water lily, you are also knowing this water lily. Water hyacinth, it is also a kind of aquatic plants. Our next kind of plants is thorny plants. What are thorny plants? See, THORN, thorn. Thorn means kata. You have seen thorns on the plants now. So thorns means kata. These plants have thorns on them. They have very thick stems and leaves, which helps the plants to store water. They grow in deserts. Cactus, babul and aloe vera are some thorny plants. So children, what are thorny plants? The plants which have thorns on them. जो भी plants में thorns लगे रहेंगे, कांटे लगे रहेंगे, उनको हम thorny plants बोलेंगे. They have thick stem. That means उनके stems एकदम मोटे रहेंगे and leaves भी एकदम broader रहेंगे, thick रहेंगे. You can see in the picture itself. इनके leaves broader रहेंगे, thick रहेंगे. Why? The reason behind this is the plants leaves are thick so that they can store water in it. See, ये जो thorny plants है, they grows in deserts, and you know very well that desert plants have shortage of water. Desert areas, okay. Desert areas में जो water की जो quantity रहती है कम होती है, shortage of water होता है. So for that, these leaves they store water in it. Okay, the examples of this type of thorny plants are cactus. You can see in the picture itself. Babul is also a thorny plant, and aloe vera is also having so many thorns, and it comes under this category of thorny plants. So children, today we have seen few kinds of plants. Okay, in the next class we are going to see parts of plants and uses of a plant. So whatever we have discussed till now, revise it again and do the practice of reading at home. Okay, you have to practice of reading. Okay, so that you can improvise your reading and go through the chapter. That's all of today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you and stay safe at home.